Hi everyone, my name's Anastacia. I'm a CSUMB service learner, and today for our Make It Monday, we're going to show you a super simple origami star tutorial. They look like this. They're very small, very easy, and for my tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make it with only one thing, and that is washi tape. But you can also do this with paper. You just need to cut up a paper that's about this thick, and I'll show you how to do it with washi tape. And like I said, they're super simple, so just keep watching for this really easy tutorial. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is grab our washi tape, and we're gonna kind of pull it out to around like 1.5 feet, around there. And so you're gonna kind of just rip that off. And now what you're gonna do with this washi tape is you're gonna fold it in half so that it doesn't expose any stickiness, so that you basically kind of turn it into like a long piece of regular paper that has, you know, these little cute designs on it. So now that I have this, basically I'm just gonna make a little tie at the end. I'm gonna make a little loop like this, and then I'm gonna feed that end into the loop and kind of lay it so that it's like this, nice and even. And then once it's like this, I'm gonna fold down each end, and then I'm also gonna fold down the end that's popping out. So now that I have this, what I'm gonna do is I'm basically just gonna wrap this around this shape. So you can notice maybe that this kind of is gonna go its own way. So for example, right now when I'm gonna feed it, it's kind of already naturally going up. And then when I put it up, it's already kind of naturally just going back down. And I'm just gonna keep wrapping this around until it is done. Till it's all wrapped up. So just keep wrapping it. Kind of just goes its own way, like I said. So at the end, you're gonna notice you probably will have a little bit of extra. Once it's all wrapped, you're gonna actually just put this under a little flap that's already existing there. So you see how this is here? Just gonna put this under there, kind of hide it. And now I have this shape. So with this shape, this is gonna kind of just turn into a star after we bend all of these flat edges down. I like to kind of do two at once sometimes, so I could do both of these flat edges at once. Just bend them down, and then each flat edge you're gonna want to bend. There should be 5. And once you've bent them all down, you'll get something like this. It's a little wonky, but you're gonna keep kind of playing with it and messing with it. There you go, a little star. I hope you enjoyed watching. Bye.